I work with St. Vrain Valley Schools, and I'm here at the Career Elevation Technology Center campus with our Farm to School program. We're here inside the CETC student greenhouse where our Agriscience student program and horticultural program take place. This is another component of our Farm to School where our students sprout up seeds, and these are planted in our school gardens across the district, which is about 411 square miles and growing.
So part of our agriculture education program is teaching students about careers and lifestyle choices in the plant system pathway. So our students are preparing for careers, whether they're dealing directly with plants or just the idea of maybe managing a business regardless of the industry it's in. Everything that we do both in the greenhouse and on the school farm is essentially completely managed by students, just with our supervision.
I'm so glad that you were able to see what our students grow in our greenhouse and how it impacts our community. Now let's go visit another farming partner. We're here with our Culinary students, which is part of Pro Start program, where students learn front of the house, back of the house, and work with community partners like the one you're going to meet in just a moment. Our students are learning about breaking down student-raised pork from the bone, pork shoulder, and they are learning how to make German link sausages. So go check it out.
I was asked to be a community partner in this Farm to School program for St. Vrain Valley. I was given this opportunity to help the kids. They raised hogs, and I have the chance to show them how to use a pork shoulder butt. And we're gonna break down that shoulder butt, debone it, make it into smaller pieces. I'm gonna show them how to use their grinder, grind it into ground pork. We will add seasoning to it. And then with that grinder, we can make it into a sausage maker machine. I will show them how to make the sausage into link German sausage, and then we'll also wrap that sausage in freezer paper so it's available to freeze for them.
Seeing the final product is super rewarding because you get to learn something and then actually enjoy like what you learn and go home and try it again, maybe change something, things like that.
I think it has numerous opportunities for them, specifically in the culinary side of it.
You got to see the ins and outs of our Master Butcher class. Now come with me and let's go see the other portion of our Farm to School programming. Check this out. We are at Jack's Solar Garden with Sprout City Farms. And I'm here with farmer Liza to talk about how we partner with the school district and community farms.
So this farm started 4 years ago, a collaboration with the University of Arizona, who is doing research on growing food crops under solar panels. I can show you what we've got in the field so far.
Oh, what is all this?
So this is lettuce. It'll be ready in a few weeks. We can fit about 600 heads of lettuce in one of our beds. Some of that can go to the school district and be part of the salad bar.
Yes, put that on our salad bars. And so I'm assuming that this extends your growing season for lettuce.
For lettuce, it does. We are able to get lettuce that is less bitter and doesn't bolt as quickly throughout the summer.
Which the kids would love.
This is our garlic that we planted last fall, researching how it grows in the different spots. Sprout City Farms is very committed to using regenerative agriculture practices to grow our vegetables, which means using cover crop in between crop plantings and using what's called no-till practices in order to prevent degrading the soil.
Thanks, Liza, for showing us around. And thank you for joining us today on our tour of Sprout City Farms and taking a deeper dive at St. Vrain Valley's Farm to School program and community partnerships. Because
together we grow!